How did you find out about the supported temporary accommodation scheme?
We first seen it advertised in our local paper, so we did, and just rang, there was a helpline number, and rang it up.
What made you want to participate in this scheme and help young people? Was there any past experiences?
Well, I suppose we've reared our own children, and one's married and the other one's working and all, and then we thought, well, it'd be nice to pass on our experiences. I was at home here and John was off a good bit, and we thought, we could maybe help somebody. We had a spare bedroom and we thought we could maybe help some young person in life.
When you contacted the organisation, were they very quick and helpful in arranging for you to become a part of the scheme? Was the process long or was it quick? And how long after you became a provider did you have the young person living with you?
Yeah, from we first contacted, seemed to a good wee while, and then we had a lady came and questioned us lots. There was quite a lot of questions to answer and put us through a lot. And a lot of forms to fill in, and I would say that was maybe May time, and then it was probably, I think, the following October when we had our first young person.
How would you describe the settling in period? Did it take you as a family long to adjust to having another person living there?
Well, when the first young person came, it was a daunting time. We didn't know what to expect and how we'd get on with this, and I suppose we were nervous as they were nervous too, but yeah, we got on well, and the young person came in then and we all got on well together, and showed them where everything was. And
did it take the young person long to adjust to the way of your family home?
No, they come in and we showed them where their room was and the kitchen where we ate, and we left them free to have a look around and give them time, and showed them in and talked to them and told them about the rules and boundaries, and give them time and space, and whenever they wanted to talk, we said that if they wanted to come and talk to us, give them time and space.
What did you do as a family to make this individual feel welcome?
Well, all young people are different, and we've learned that because we've had over the 4 years we've had 7 young people, and every young person has been just so different. Some take longer of coming and chatting to you. Some just come, chat right away, open up right away, and some are quiet and shy. So just give them time and space, and most of them learned quickly where the kitchen was, and I would have got them to help in the kitchen, help with a wee bit of cooking, and they soon learned where all the cupboards were and the drawers and what all was for.
How long did they stay living with you?
Anything ranging from 3 weeks till a year, and over a year and 3 months maybe, or over that.
Would you consider them to be a part of your family? Did you bond throughout their time with you?
Well, I don't think that's not really part of our role. Our role is to welcome these young people and bring them out of whatever situations they've found in their lives or in their homes, and they've all different needs, various needs. Some young people are so different. We'll give them time then, I could say. John has a good sense of humour. I think that's what you need, and just made them feel welcome and made them feel comfortable room, and just showed that we were willing to help them and try and show them that this is why they're here, to learn skills so that they can go and live independently on their own, and so they learn how to cook and clean and do laundry, and so someday then they'll be able to go out and live on their own.
How often did you speak with the social workers or coordinator of the organisation?
Again, that depended on the young people. Sometimes you could have been talking each day to your coordinator or social worker, maybe once a week, maybe once a month. It just depended on the needs of the young people and what they were going through at that particular time.
Was it a difficult experience overall, emotionally or mentally?
Sometimes you would say it is very frustrating. Whenever they're going through maybe a bad time, and you can't, your hands are, you're afraid to say and do the wrong thing for the young person, or and you want to have the best for them, their best interest in heart, and it but very rewarding whenever you see them getting on well and getting a suitable course. Sometimes when they came, they weren't doing any courses or anything, or had come out of the class that they were in. So it was lovely then to see them getting into a course, and maybe with that a part-time job as well to run with the course.
Would you say your contribution helped to improve a young person's life?
Well, they've come out of a situation probably very negative, and so we've brought them into our home and tried to have a positive impact on their lives, so they can move forward, and so they can then make their own decisions and take responsibility for their own lives then, and help to inspire them to achieve that. If you do little by little and keep at things, you can achieve good, bigger, better things in life.
Would you do it again?
Yes. Yeah, we have nobody at the minute, but on reflection and seeing how we can help the young person, yeah, I think we would.
Would you advise this scheme to other families, and why?
I would advise it, but I would say they would have to think long and hard, because, well, these young people are coming into your home, so it takes a long time to adjust to that. You've been used with the privacy of your home, and yet these people are coming in then into your home. So I would say don't enter into it lightly. Think about it, think long and hard. And as I said, it's daunting at the start if you don't know what to expect. But all in all, yeah, we would say it was well worth it.